Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we talk about the personal finances, business finances, NFTs, cryptos and all that. In today's video, we will going to talk about how to plan your taxes because once time a year when it comes in the April, you have to have your finances in order to pay your taxes on time, to not to get any delays. I'm going to be sharing some tips with you guys that will going to help you plan your taxes ahead of time so that you are not rushing up at the end of the tax season when the tax you need to pay the tax and you're rushing out of it paying thousands of dollars to the CPA agent just for get your taxes done. So I'm going to be sharing some tips with you guys. It's basically focusing on how to plan your taxes ahead of time, especially for a beginners, for a newbie who are just getting started with their business or who are intermediate, kind of like all these tips will going to help you. So let's dive in. Before go, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we're gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, if you're an artist or creative person looking forward to make money online, now we have other channel where we talk a lot about making money online as an artist, as a creative person. Make sure you check it out, that channel link. The link is in description box below. You can grab our financial digital planner bundle that will going to help you plan your finances, your taxes, your income, your savings. Everything is there in that digital planner bundle. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Make sure you grab it out if you're looking forward to plan your finances, whatever it is. Maybe it's personal finances, business finances, or anything else. You want to plan it according to it and you need to keep your money and your finances in a proper shape and size, then probably check out this digital planner bundle. I personally use it for myself. It has the expense tracker, income tracker, savings tracker, debt tracker. The link is in description box below. First thing first, there's a big disclaimer, guys, that everything I'm going to be sharing in this video are completely based on my experience and knowledge so far, so please take my advice with a grain of salt. I'm not a finance or tax expert in this area. If you really need any help with the tax expert help, please contact the consultants or tax expert area in your local area, in your city or in your country. With that being said, let's dive into the tips. The first tip that I have for you for planning the taxes is to have a planner. Yes. Now you would be thinking how the planner will going to help me plan the taxes. The planner helps you plan your day, your life, your business, your relationship, your goals, your dreams, everything it helps you to plan. So why not it can help you for planning your taxes? Now you don't need to get fancy with having a bullet journal, fancy planners or fancy softwares and application. Get started with whatever you have. Okay, just simple piece of paper and pen or pencil will also going to do the work. But if you want to go with the fancy, then probably go with that. It all depends on you. Okay, so plan it daily. Okay, I would tell you to plan it monthly or daily depending on how much you are making in your business, what are the different income streams, what it actually look like, how you can maintain the records, where you can maintain your money, your finances, the income streams, the saving streams, or any life insurance you have, or whatever it is, you can maintain everything inside of it. The second tip I have for you guys is to always develop the habits in the very beginning, because it's really important. When we are completely a beginner and newbie, we can develop the good habits that can help us plan our taxes, finances on time. So develop the habits. Start looking at the number, maintaining the planner, maintaining the records, even if it's single dollar, because when you are actually paying the taxes, every single dollar counts that you're making in your business. Okay, if you are actually missing out the money and you're not planning according to it, then you might get some with your taxes. So please have a planner, be okay with the numbers and count every single dollar that you're making in your business so that you can plan according to it. So that is the thing, you have to develop the habits. You have to have a mindset that I need to have the mindset of planning the finances, the planning money, and the planning the taxes. The third thing I want to talk about is that have a relationship with the money. Now, this may sound counterintuitive or weird, but yes, we do have a relationship with our family members, with our parents, with our boyfriend, with our girlfriend, whatever it is, we do have a relationship. So money is an energy, okay? It's a currency. And it's an exchange of energy that's called as basically money. So you need to have some sort of a relationship with money to have it in a proper shape, to have it in a good shape. It's not like you are just ignoring the money. You're only looking at that when you have to pay for some huge bills or you want to need some money for some loans for your business or for whatever it is. You have to have some sort of a relationship with the money and look at any limiting beliefs that you have around the money. Now you would be thinking, do I really need to do all these things to plan my taxes? I think yes, because planning taxes is not just about paying the taxes on time or something like that. It's also about planning the money or the finances that you're making in your business, and also the limiting beliefs that you have around anything in your mind, or negative self-talk about the money, that money doesn't grow on the tree, it's so difficult, so hard to make the money, you have to have a lot of the hard work to make the money, or any kind of limiting beliefs you have. Because trust me, if you don't have a money, you would be having some kind of limiting beliefs. Take a look at that, what your parents money talk they are having. Maybe they are having some money talk related to that money doesn't grow on the trees, it's very hard to make the money. Or maybe they were neglecting you while they were making money, and you felt like money is bad because my parents ignored me because of the money, it's very hard to make a one, and even if you make a one, it's very hard to keep a one. So look at the limiting beliefs and correct them and change them into positive ones, and have a good relationship with the money. Just like you are having a good relationship with your partner, with your family, with your friends, with your colleagues. The fourth point that I have for you guys, always plan in advance. This is really comes handy. Like if you're seeing it's a December, now it's not a December right now, it's a May right now, but if you're looking at the December and you are having your finances from January to December, that's a calendar year, and you need to pay the taxes in the April. Once you finish up with the December plan, actually look at all the money that you made, the savings, the insurance, expenses, everything in the January, and then actually make the rough outlet of how much you made, where did you spend, how it went, did you invested any money, did you actually invested in the insurance, what it is. Just take a look at that and actually plan it in the January itself before you reach to the April, because in the April you have to pay the taxes, right? So why not actually plan in the January? For example, if you're planning your taxes for the 2022, January to December of 2022, you have everything, okay? Now you're gonna pay the taxes in the April of 2023. So why not actually start looking at your money, your finances, your income, your savings, your insurance in the January of 2023 itself, and plan your things, that how much tax you need to pay according to the percentage of the taxes you're paying in your state, in your country. Look at the federal tax, state tax laws and everything, and actually do all that thing in the January itself. Okay, I'm telling you to do it in the advance. 1 or 2 months doing it in the advance will really going to help you save a lot of time and effort, and you won't be freaked out, because when we don't have a time, we usually freaked out to get the things done, and it's not good for your health. It's not good for your mental and emotional health. And do in the advance, and that's what I'm telling you to do in the advance. Maybe the January, February, get all the things ready for your tax season for the April, how much tax you need to pay, what are the income streams, everything written down to a piece of paper or on your software, on your application. So in the April, you just need to input it and pay the taxes. That's it. So that is the thing. Fifth tip that I have for you, have some software and application for paying the taxes. Now, I'm not talking about the software for planning the taxes or planning the finance or something like that. No, actually paying the taxes. One of the software or application I can talk about is the TurboTax. TurboTax is great if you're looking forward to pay your taxes. It will going to help you actually your bookkeeping as well, actually knowing how much taxes you need to pay each and every single month, or each and every single year. Like if you're having your LLC as an S Corp and you're paying the quarterly taxes, then you need to pay every 4 months. So that TurboTax software will going to help you understanding your finances, your taxes, and also help you pay your taxes on time. Because if you're going with a CPA agent, you have to pay lots of money. And with the software, with the application, you just need to pay a few bucks a month and you are good to go, and you can pay taxes on time. If you can do it by yourself, that's fine. But if you can't, then going with the software that help you pay the taxes is a great idea. Last tip that I have for you guys is take a lesson or get an inspiration or take the help if it's you need it. Now I'm talking a lot not to pay for the CPA agents, but if you really need any tax help or any tax expert help or consultancy or whatever it is, just go for that. Look for the people who are expert in the finances in which you want to pay the taxes, be it an online business, offline business, whatever it is. Learn from them, take an inspiration idea from them, or maybe hire them if you want to have any kind of personalized help for your own situation. So it depends on you, but be open to take and ask help from the right people at the right time so that you can get the things done and you're not messing with the things. Even if you have to pay maybe 500 bucks to the CPA agent, it's fine. But if you really need their help, then probably go with that. Take an inspiration, take a note from the other online business people who are actually filing the taxes, how they are doing it. Maybe look on the internet watch some YouTube videos, listen to some podcast episodes, or search in the Google, read taxes in your niche, in your topic, in the business idea, or in the business area in which you are currently in. Okay, taking the help or getting the necessary stuff or information from your peers, from your competitors, is a great way to learn from it, because there are so many people who are currently right now in your same shoes, and they are in the same state or country, and they are also filing their taxes like you are. You can take in help from them, you can learn from them, you can have the more information, take an inspiration, do the research, explore it. If you need any tax expert help, then probably go with expert help from the CPA agents or tax expert, whatever it is. But don't be afraid to ask for help. Don't be afraid to look for the inspiration from the information, for the resources which can help you pay your taxes on finances on time. That's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you find this video useful and enjoyable. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. These are some of the tips that I can give a newbie and a beginner who are completely starting to plan their taxes, to pay the taxes on time. Hopefully it will going to help you. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you have any video requests for me, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll gonna see you in the next week's video. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.